What's up everyone, Mitesh here with Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a smart switch. So I just did a review of a smart switch by the company called Maxio, and one of the things that kind of disappointed me about the smart switch was the fact that it didn't really come with any installation instructions. Now, for most people it may not be that hard, but I had no idea what I was doing, so I figured it out and I decided to make a video about how to install a smart switch for yourself. So let's get started. Okay, so before you guys do anything else, make sure you turn off the power to the switch. So I'm here, here's my breaker in my basement, and I'm about to turn off the power. You can see mine is actually pretty well labeled. So I know which one I need to turn off, which I believe is this one right here, the family room 10. So let's go over here, find ourselves number 10, and flip. So once you verify that you have turned off the power to the switch, you need to take the faceplate off the switch, so you'll need a screwdriver. In my case it needed a flathead. And once the faceplate is off, you'll see a couple more screws, this time Phillips, and you'll need to take those off as well. Once those screws are off, you can see that the switch will just pull out of the wall as you see, and the wires will come with it. Now, one thing I forgot to mention before even starting this, you really should make sure that you have the white neutral wire behind your wall, because you will need this. Without this, the smart switch will not work. Once you have the switch out of the wall, you need to take the two black wires out of the switch. Now, this is where I had a lot of difficulty. Honestly, I struggled with this so much that I ended up just cutting the wires because they were just not coming out of the switch. For you, you may have an easier time. Hopefully you do. Okay, so once you finally have the switch out of the way, you can start hooking up the rest of the wires. So the smart switch comes with 4 wires in the back. There's the red, black, green, and white. So the white one we already know is the neutral wire, which will hook up to the white wires. The green is ground and will hook it up to the ground wire that I have. And then the 2 red and black wires will connect up to the 2 black wires that we took out of the switch. So to do this, you just need to twist the wire around it and then just make sure the metal parts are contacting. And then you'll need to use a electric wire connector to hook them up. You can buy these at your local hardware store for like 30 pack for like just $3. So I'll have some link down below if you guys are interested from Home Depot, but yeah, I already had these lying around, so I just used them. Okay, so I'm back down in my basement, gotta flip the switch, we'll see if it doesn't break. Alright, so here we are again. Let's see. Put out. Which one is it? Oh, this one right here. Okay, nothing blew up, so that's a good sign, and I'm gonna go test it now. Alright, so after flipping the red switch on, I tested it, it was working perfectly, I put the faceplate on and everything, and we were good to go. So yeah, it's really easy to install this, though I wish it did come with some instructions for those of us who aren't used to working on electrical things. But yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you install a smart switch. I hope you guys like this. If you found it useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. Be sure to check out my review of the smart switch, which I have going up today as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.